Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The day we have been waiting for is finally here. My new series is now available everywhere. There was a little bit of a delay, but what would be one of my launches without some delays? So here are the 3 books from my new series. The French Grammar Workbook, 50 French Grammar and Conjugation Activities for Daily Practice. French Vocabulary Workbook, 50 French Vocabulary Activities for Daily Practice. And finally, French Listening Workbook, 50 French Listening Activities for Daily Practice. Let's chat quickly about where you can find them before explaining everything about them. I know some of you have been waiting for a while. So they are available on Amazon for the paperback version and the ebook version. The PDF version is available on my website. The PDF is interactive, so you can write directly on it without printing. Since I'm releasing 3 books at the same time, I made you a bundle on my website. Get 3 for the price of 2, so $14 instead of $21. If you want to buy them separately, everything is discounted right now on my website. Not only my 3 new books, so the books separately, but all my books are 20% off to celebrate the release. I know some of you are going to ask, no, I don't have a discount code for Amazon. Jeff Bezos is rich for a reason. No discount for small orders. No. So the discounted books are only on my website for the PDF version. What do they include and who are they for? So each workbook focuses on 50 daily activities for high beginners, intermediate. If you are starting with French, this is not for you. I have other books that you should go through before this one. You should at least know basic French to use these 3 workbooks, such as sound, sentence structure, and basic conjugation. This series is for daily practice. Some of you asked if I had more workbooks after finishing my book courses, and I didn't have them at that time, so I wrote them. These 3 books can be picked up in no particular order. You can do an activity in each book daily, or focus on one book before moving to the other one. It's really up to you. All the chapters can be done in 15 minutes or less, so it's perfect to add daily French practice to your day. So let's start talking about the French Grammar Workbook. The French Grammar Workbook includes 50 grammar and conjugation daily activities. It also includes a review of the rules as well as the audio of all the examples and exercise. You can see the table of content and the first 2 chapters, I believe, of the book on my website. I will have the link below for you. But yeah, you can just check out all the rules, everything that's covered in there. It's a great way to learn the most common French rules, and it's a great refresher if you've done my conjugation and grammar courses. So this workbook focuses on the most common grammar and conjugation rules, like I said, followed by an exercise for each rule. 1 chapter, 1 rule, 1 activity, 1 exercise. The audio of all the examples and exercises is available to download with the book as usual. Now we move to the French Vocabulary Workbook. The French Vocabulary Workbook focuses on different subjects of essential vocabulary in a fun and engaging way. So 50 chapters, 50 subjects, 50 exercises, plus millions of audio for this one. Trust me, I recorded them and edited them myself. There are a lot of them. Just like the grammar one, the table of content to see all the chapters and subjects, plus the first 2 chapters are on my website, so you can see what is in the book. Finally, the French Listening Workbook. I know that many of you have been very excited for this one. The French Listening Workbook includes 50 activities to focus on your listening comprehension and speaking if you want to repeat after me. This workbook has a mix of different exercises, so activities focused on silent letters, specific sounds such as œil, u, ou, r, etc., and liaison. It also has short stories and missing word text. If you want to focus only on French listening, just listen to the audio. If you want to focus on French speaking as well, just repeat after me after listening. I believe that these 3 workbooks are perfect if you want to add more French practice to your daily life. They cover everything from grammar and conjugation rules to useful vocabulary and everything related to listening practices. Here are a few of the points that I always get asked. The link to download the audio is at the beginning of the book. It's under how to download the audio. You cannot miss it. The audio folder is going to be downloaded directly to your computer or your phone or wherever you would like to listen to. The price of the PDF is $7 US, but you can get the bundle for $14 instead of $21. For Amazon, I don't have a code because Amazon has to print the book, ships it, and everything, so they don't give a code. They don't do that. All the links are available below in the description. Please let me know if you have any question in the comments, or you can just answer my email as well. I will try to answer everyone as soon as possible. Thank you so much for your continuous support. It means the world to me and my little team. If you purchase the books, please let me know what you think of them. If you purchase them on Amazon, please take a second to leave a review. Actually, even if you did not purchase them on Amazon, if you purchase them on my website, you can still leave a review on Amazon. Any review on Amazon really helps me a lot, and nice reviews are always better, by the way. So yeah, thank you so much for being so patient with me for the release. I hope you will enjoy these books. I usually release 3 to 4 books a year. This time I chose to release them 3 at the same time. A little bit of questionable decision, I have to say, for my mental sake. but it's done. They're ready. They're here, and I'm very proud of them. I love how they turned out. I love everything about them. So I hope you will too. Please just let me know what you think of them. That would be lovely. And next week I will have the video on Aller chercher. I promise. It was supposed to be this week, but then the books were ready, so I'm sorry about that. I promise it's going to be next week. À mercredi prochain.